CDF Valerio Sibanda left the country in 1973 to join the liberation struggle. He received military training at Morogoro under the likes of retired Brigadier Ambrose Mutiniri. Nsanapinda mashuka ari kuda panguva ino achionekwa kunzi Valerio Sibanda panguva ino opureziwa achinzi he is the intellectual commander of defense forces. Don't forget to subscribe or like out on the bell. Panguva ino pari kuonekwa kunzi chaos is rocking the country. Panguva ino kuchionekwa kunzi these are the ones who are captured nezvigananda vari kuita kuti Zimbabwe ivavewo noupenyu. Vanoenda mberi vachiti his war allies was Ananias Wenzi. He completed his training in Tanzania and proceeded to Lebanon for 9 months, where he received vigorous training under the Palestinian Liberation Organization at Jalub. When he returned in 1975, he became an instructor at the newly opened Mbwembwesi training camp in Tanzania. He was then seconded to form part of the military commanders running Morogoro under the ZIPA. Among the Morogoro-based Zanhla commanders in ZIPA were Konstantino Chiwenga, who was the Commissar, Terence Shiri, and Augustine Shuhuri. From ZIPRA, there was A.D. Sigoge Molojwa and Sam Fakasi. He also became the commander of the GC8 region. After the death of Alfred Nikita Magena in 1978, he became the camp commander for the CGT, Communist Guerrilla Training Camp, located about 60 miles east of Lusaka. He was initially appointed to be the ZIPRA High Command as the Chief of Training. However, he swapped that position with A.D. Sigoge Molojwa for Chief of Reconnaissance, leading the Military Intelligence Department. CDF Valerio Sibanda formally joined the Zimbabwe National Army at independence. He quickly rose through the ranks. By 1994, he was the only ex-ZIPRA cadet to have rose to the rank of Major General. We'll verify if I am correct, Appa, but I think I am correct. Between October 1995 and April 1998, he became the head of the United Nations Angola Verification Mission and subsequently Monija Mission of Observation des Nations Unies in Angola as former commander charged with peace and national reconciliation. Vanyora pasasakati chibaba ichi ndomashwana mudanyopo pamusoro aiwapa Philip Valerio Sibanda anozikanwa kuti is the commander of the defense forces. Tudze mafunguro enyu motudi pamusoro aiwapa penhau iyi pina comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.